Now we need to start setting this up, so we'll navigate back to our app.jsx, and you'll notice up here that it's importing a CSS file. So we want to go to this CSS file and we want to get rid of all this default information. And I'll go ahead and replace this with my own custom styling. If you guys want to use this styling, use the GitHub link in the description. Next, we need to do the same thing in our index.css, but we won't replace it. We'll just leave this file blank. Now back in our app.jsx, we can get rid of all of these imports at the top except for our CSS file. And we want to make sure that we include our React import. We can get rid of this state right here, and then we can delete all of this default content. And you guys will notice in our live server, all of that goes away. And notice that I left this fragment here. So the way that React works is it needs a fragment or a div and then all of the content within that. Tap here to see what happens next.